Welcome back to the Excel Beginner tutorial series. In this lesson, we will learn how to enter and edit data in cells. To enter data, click on a cell and start typing. You can type numbers, text, or even dates. After typing, press Enter or arrow key to move down to the next cell. Press Tab or arrow key to move right to the next cell. If you made a mistake or want to edit the cell, double-click on the cell. To come out of the cell, press Enter. You can also select the cell and edit the content in the formula bar at the top. To delete the contents of a cell, select the cell and press the Delete key. To replace data, simply type new content into the cell. You can also copy and paste data between cells using the right-click menu. Excel makes data entry quick and flexible for all types of information. In the next lesson, we will explore autofill and flash fill to speed up data entry.